In a basement again. Electrical. Looks like 100 amps coming in. Look at this. Plumbing, PVC. Plumbing's been updated. I like that. Looks like extra support on this side of the house. It's an older house. Lally columns, that's what I want to see. This furnace sounds nice, but it's old. High efficiency water heaters. Okay, I like that. Another boiler over here. This is actually nice, right? That's nice. They gotta update the other one. So, in any case, these windows are updated. Looks like you have good insulation on the walls. You know, that basement life. Poured concrete over here. What's going on over there? Oh, maybe this isn't poured. Oh yeah, it's poured concrete. Looks like they poured a bunch of different concrete, or maybe they just covered up the old fieldstone foundation. Real estate, basement life.